Thank you for taking the time to review my Wiki assignment. So let's begin with the first condition where we have to check the get entries with Wiki. Let's try the existing one, HTML. So it works. Let's try Python, for example. It also works. And let's try something that does not exist. And it gives us the error message saying that the entry with the name not found. The next condition is to verify the index page with all entries. So here is a list, and the links are also working. Now let's test the search. Let's try to search for something that we're sure that exists. Python, so it redirects to it directly. Now let's try partial match. It works. Let's try something more common. I searched for the A and it gave me all the entries that have A or AG. So partial match also works. Now let's try something that does not exist, and it says that no results for the entry name. Now let's try adding new page. So let's click create new page. Let's try negative scenario when the page exists. So it does not create the page and gives us the error that Python already exists, and we can go directly to the existing page. Now let's try positive scenario, trying to add something new. New page. And let's put a link there. Save, and it saved it. If we go to the home, we can see that new page is here. Now let's test the edit page. So let's visit, for example, CSS. We can click edit here, and we see the pre-populated text area. So we can try to add a link also, a list also to CSS. Let's save it, and we see the updated CSS. Let's test it again. Yeah, it is still here. And the last thing is random page. Let's try that. Django, something else, test page, Django again, test page, Django, Python. So it works, it gives the random pages. That's it. Thank you for taking the time again. Have a nice day.